The United Kingdom is a treasure trove of history, culture, and breathtaking scenery, offering visitors a unique blend of old world charm and modern vibrancy. The UK may be geographically smaller than some countries, but it is packed with diverse places to explore with regional quirks and specialties. With over 1,000 years of history, some of the UK's cities have stood for several centuries, offering a rich heritage where tradition meets modernity. Each city has its own unique personality and story to tell. With iconic architecture, world-class museums, thriving music scenes, and independent restaurants and shops, UK cities have much to offer. Let's take a look at the 10 best cities to visit in the UK. Number 1, London. The UK's capital, London, is a thriving metropolitan city marked by elegant architecture, iconic landmarks, and a vibrant cultural scene. If it's your first time visiting London, you may want to go on a bus tour on one of London's iconic double-decker buses. This will help you get your bearings and see sights such as Buckingham Palace, Tower Bridge, the London Eye, and Big Ben. Standing on the River Thames in southeast England, London is also home to the West End Theatre District, offering some of the best musicals and plays. Make sure you leave time to visit some of London's world-class museums where several of the permanent collections are free. Number 2, Edinburgh. It's not hard to see why Edinburgh was the inspiration for Harry Potter. When you see the cobbled alleys and majestic castle, in the old town you will discover a wealth of history, from the battle over the crown jewels to grave robbers and maybe even a ghost or two. In contrast, the new town offers a more modern vibe with independent boutiques and cool cafes. Around a 6-hour train journey from London, Edinburgh is also home to a number of art galleries, a zoo with the UK's only giant pandas, and the National Museum of Scotland. There are plenty of activities for both kids and adults alike. Don't miss the world-class Edinburgh Festival Fringe if you're visiting in August. Number 3, Cambridge. Home to one of the oldest universities in the UK, Cambridge has a long history in academia and innovation. Its stunning architecture spans several different centuries, with highlights including King's College Chapel, Fitzwilliam Museum, and Quayside. To see the city from a different angle, take to the water and punt along the scenic River Cam. Just over an hour from London, Cambridge is also incredibly easy to navigate by foot and features a brilliant Sunday market where you can pick up secondhand books and vinyl, fresh local produce, or handmade jewelry. Make sure you pick up an iconic Chelsea bun from Fitzbilly's, which has been a Cambridge staple since 1921. Number 4, Glasgow. It's said that the people make Glasgow, but the city itself is pretty special too. Just over an hour's train ride from Edinburgh, Glasgow is often seen as cooler and edgier. A UNESCO city of music with iconic venues like King Tut's Wawa Hut, to independent venues, live music is at the heart of Glasgow's nightlife scene. Glasgow is also well known for its art scene with Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum, the House for an Art Gallery, and plenty of Charles Rennie Mackintosh designs. Make sure you see the legendary Duke of Wellington statue outside of the Gallery of Modern Art, which is always sporting a traffic cone. After this started as a prank in the 1980s. Number 5, Liverpool. With a similar ambience and history to Glasgow, Liverpool is home to one of the world's most famous bands, the Beatles. You can get your fix by exploring some of the places which inspired the Beatles, such as Strawberry Fields and the Cavern Club, or discover the band's history at the Beatles Story, the world's largest permanent collection. Around a 3-hour train journey from London, make sure you visit the Royal Albert Dock, which was once a bustling port and is now a vibrant district. Packed with museums, galleries, bars, and restaurants, and lined with the UK's largest collection of listed buildings, including the Three Graces, there's always something to see here. Number 6, York. York boasts more attractions per square mile than any other city in the UK. So the question won't be what to do, but what to do first. We recommend starting at York Minster, a masterpiece in stained glass and a sacred space which has been at the heart of Christianity in northern England since the 7th century. Climbing the central tower will also give you incredible views of the whole city. Just 4 hours away from both London and Edinburgh, York also has a rich Viking heritage which you can find out more about at the Jorvik Viking Center. Don't forget to visit Shambles, one of the oldest streets in the world and jam-packed with quirky shops to explore. Number 7, Bath. A UNESCO World Heritage Site and a well-being destination since Roman times, the bath waters continue to attract visitors. You can sample the waters at the ancient Roman baths or the thoroughly modern Thermae Bath Spa, boasting the only natural thermal hot springs in Britain you can bathe in. Just under a 1.5-hour train ride from London, you will feel like you are a world away as you immerse yourself in Bath's beautiful golden architecture. You will be able to see where Jane Austen took her inspiration from and find out more about this former famous resident at the Jane Austen Center. Make sure you sample a traditional Bath bun pastry during your stay. Number 8, Belfast. The capital of Northern Ireland, Belfast, has a long history of shipbuilding, including building the Titanic. Voted the world's leading tourist attraction in 2016, the Titanic Belfast allows you to trace the famous ship from its conception to its tragic ending. To discover yet more of Belfast's history, take the Black Cab Tour, where a seasoned guide will explain some of the city's turbulent past as you see some of the city's politically charged murals, the Peace Walls, and Shankill Road. If you are looking to get out into nature, Cave Hill Country Park offers incredible views of the city, ideal for a romantic sunset stroll. The majestic Giant's Causeway is also just 15 minutes from the city. Number 9, Manchester. Manchester is a must-visit city in the UK, celebrated for its rich history, dynamic culture, and modern charm. Known as the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution, the city seamlessly blends its industrial heritage with contemporary urban vibrancy. Visitors can explore iconic landmarks like the Science and Industry Museum, which highlights Manchester's pivotal role in global innovation, or marvel at the neo-Gothic beauty of the John Rylands Library. Sports fans flock to Manchester for its football fervor, with world-renowned clubs like Manchester United and Manchester City offering stadium tours and unforgettable matchday experiences. The city's food and shopping scenes are equally compelling, from the eclectic Northern Quarter to the luxurious Trafford Centre. Number 10, Oxford. Oxford is a city of timeless elegance and academic prestige, making it one of the most enchanting destinations to visit in the UK. Known as the City of Dreaming Spires, it is home to the world-renowned University of Oxford, whose stunning college buildings and libraries date back centuries. Visitors can immerse themselves in history by exploring iconic landmarks like the Bodleian Library, one of the oldest libraries in Europe, and Christ Church College, famously associated with Alice in Wonderland and the Harry Potter films. The city offers serene beauty with picturesque riverside walks along the Thames and the opportunity to try punting, a quintessential Oxford experience. The United Kingdom offers a remarkable blend of historical significance, cultural diversity, and modern attractions, making it a dream destination for travelers. From the bustling streets of London and the academic charm of Oxford and Cambridge to the medieval allure of York and the artistic vibrancy of Glasgow, every city has a unique story to tell. Whether you're exploring ancient castles, enjoying cutting-edge art scenes, or punting along serene rivers, these cities promise unforgettable experiences. No matter your interests of history, art, music, or architecture, the UK's rich tapestry of destinations ensures there's something special for everyone.